The percent equation continued. In 2005, there were 361 Spanish-speaking radio stations in a certain region. By 2015, this number had increased by 14.1%. How many Spanish-speaking radio stations were there in 2015? First, I want to write down some of the key information in the problem. I'm told that in 2005, I had 361 Spanish-speaking radio stations. I'm also told that in 2015, that number increased by 14.1%. And I'm asked to find the exact number of radio stations in 2015. In order to find this, I'm going to first use the percent equation. If I multiply the percent of increase by the number of stations in 2005, I'll get the increased amount of stations. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the percent times the number of stations in 2005. Now remember, I have to have a decimal in my equation. Right now I have 14.1%. In order to convert that to a decimal, I just divide by 100, so I get a percent of 0.141. And I'm going to multiply that by 361. When I do that calculation on the calculator, I get 50.901. So that means there was approximately 51 stations that were added since 2005. Now I want to know the number of stations in 2015. So I'll take the number of stations in 2005, which is 361, and add the number of stations that were added since. So 361 plus 51 gives me 412 stations. So there were approximately 412 stations in 2015, and that's your final answer.